Hey guys, welcome to my channel Preeti, wherein currently we are discussing agree-disagree statements, and today's statement is from the chapter Supply Analysis. It was asked in the year 2025 in the board exam. So let's start. Statement is, there are some exceptions to the law of supply. Now see, it's very simple pattern, but still I'm making the answer because some of the students just get confused because of this question format, agree, disagree. See, simple. If it's true, we are going to write I agree with the statement. If it's false, we will write I disagree with the statement. And whatever statement is given, we are simply going to put support for our answer, whatever it is, true or false, whatever, agree, disagree, we have to write the explanation for it. That's it. Such a simple format. So let's start with today's statement. I repeat, statement is, there are some exceptions to the law of supply. Now, as all of us have studied the law of supply, we know that yeah, it's true, there are exceptions. So simply we'll write those exceptions, some of those exceptions in the answer. So let's start with the answer. Solution: I agree with the given statement. Then we'll write the meaning, what exactly law of supply is. The law of supply states that, other things being equal, an increase in the price of a good or service will lead to an increase in the quantity supplied. That means simple, that whenever the price will rise, see, supply is done by the seller. So whenever the price of a good or service rises, seller's profit will rise, and but natural, with the increased profit, he will be interested in supplying more. So such a simple law of supply, that with the increase in a good or service, it will lead to an increase in the quantity supplied. So such a simple thing. But still, however, in certain situations, this law may not hold true, and such situations are called as exceptions to the law of supply. That means the law of supply will not apply in those cases. So next we'll write the exceptions to the law of supply. First one, perishable goods. See, the perishable goods which get spoiled quickly, such as fruits, vegetables, etc. Such perishable goods can't be stored for long period. And as a result, even if the price rises, suppliers may not be able to increase the supply because such goods spoil quickly. So they can't hold the stock of it and all of a sudden increase the supply. No, it's not possible. Whatever is the quantity available, only that much is available in case of perishable goods. So that's it. That was the first exception, that even if the price rises, supply cannot be increased. Second exception, fixed supply. Now see, in case of some goods such as limited edition items are there, which are produced in limited edition only, as well as some famous paintings, then some rare antiques, then the supply of land, all such things, they have fixed supply. Even if the price rises, whatever may be the price, but still in case of such items, supply can't be increased. Hey guys, if you look at the board, you'll come to know that I have shown certain arrows and all. That is just a shortcut. I hope you understand. Upward arrow for increase, so increased. Then let us move on to the next, third exception, short-term supply constant. See, in the short run, what happens is producers find very little time to increase the supply immediately, and hence it's not possible for the producers to produce more in such a short term time period due to their less production capacity, as well as there might be raw material shortage sometimes. So due to all such constraints and restrictions, it's not possible to increase the supply all of a sudden even if the price rises. So this is also one of the exception to the law of supply, short term supply constants. Then last and fourth one, of course last for our answer only, considering the marks allotted to the question, will write little bit less points only, not everything. So fourth and the last point of our answer, government regulations. See, in some cases, even the government policies restrict the supply of certain commodities. Price caps are there. That means maximum price limit is set by the government on the product, or even the legal restrictions are there for the supply of the product. In such cases, it will automatically limit the supply of certain goods which government considers as risky goods, the hazardous goods, etc. And due to this, even if the producer wishes to increase the supply, they can't increase the supply of such product in spite of the price rise. So that's it. These were the exceptions of the law to the law of supply. I hope it helps. Hey guys, please support me. Do watch the other videos and playlist uploaded on my channel. Even I've uploaded a separate playlist for agree disagree statements. If you got it, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.